Welcome back to the next Billionaire Business Show. So today, or right now, I have lady CEO, lady founder of MacG's. Miss Ma'am, please introduce yourself to us.
Sanibonani, uSibongile Ntusi lo we-MacG's Driving School osuka eMetchisini owawina kwi-Next Billionaire kwa-Skills Development last year December 2024.
And how did winning the award influence your business?
Yeah, kwi-publicity ngisebenzele kakhulu because abantu baye bathatha notice and ma-clients abe more than angenile impela more than isikhathi esidlule.
This might come off as a controversial question, but as a woman, how is it being in that field?
Hey, this field is challenging at the same time, imnandi,
Yeah.
because the field engikuyona dominates abantu besilisa in most cases. So if umuntu wesifazane uba kuyona nje kuba nalo excitement and then iya-challenge uyayibona at the same time, but I'm happy ngayo because iyona into engiyithandayo.
Yes.
I'm doing what I like.
That's what you enjoy.
I enjoy it.
Now, I have a quick question. I'm going to throw us off topic for a second. You said this is something that you love. If you had to describe how it feels to run this business in terms of a weather, so like, do you feel sunshine? Do you feel rain? Do you feel snow? Do you feel hail? How do you feel running this business in
Sunshine.
weather terminology?
It's sunshine.
Is it?
Yes, sunshine.
How could you inspire another young lady that wants to get into this business?
I am ne-passion. So advise nje umuntu ozoqala ibhizinisi ukuthi kumele nje abe ne-passion
Yeah.
and abe nokubekezela and asebenze kanzima. We don't give up ebhizinisini. Linzima ibhizinisi, kunzima ukuzimela kuqala into from the scratch. It's very difficult, but kubalulekile ukuthi ukhombe into uzakhele igasi yakho umuntu wesifazane uzenzele izinto ungalokhu dependa ebantwini. So ngiya-encourage nje ukuthi abantu baqala amabhizinisi benze into umuntu ane-passion yayo.
What I just realized is this is very unfair to the viewers on my part because I know what business you're in, but I don't think we gave them a background of what business you're in. Can you just give us a quick background?
Okay, MacG's is a driving school. So ngayiqamba ngathi MacG Enterprise because ngifuna MacG Enterprise i-umbrella of many businesses that I want to do. Ngiqale ke as a-driving school because ngine-experience eningi since 2005 ngikule field. So iyona engiyazi kahle and kuyangijabulisa to teach, to train people. Iyona into engi-excitayo leyo.
Yeah.
Yes, ukunikeza abantu ama-skills. Iyona field yami engiyithandayo. So, and what I've added kule business ngi-edile internet cafe. Uyabo, so ngiyafuna nje uku-expanda kakhulu nje ku-skills.
Yeah.
Skills development because la engisebenzela khona ngisebenzela endaweni yasemakhaya. eMetchisini, so umphakathi la indawo esemphakathini. So ngiyathanda ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukuthola ama-skills bengaphakathi. You know, we have ama-universities, ama-colleges, but are very few in South Africa. Sinaleyo challenge. So ngiyathanda ukuthi abantu baqale bathola ama-skills around. Mhlawumbe umuntu aphume esekwazi ukuyothola umsebenzi. So yeah, njalo.
And after winning your award, how has that impacted your business?
Yeah, like I've said, publicity.
Yeah.
Like, uvela ku-TV, ebantwini,
It's a
something
famous
big.
girly.
It's something big.
Yeah.
So, kuba nalokho wena sikubonile ku-TV yabona leyo nto, so yeah, kungenze ngaziwa kakhulu, though bengaziwa kodwa ke sengaziwa kakhulu ke manje. Yes, so I'm so proud. Ngiyayiqhenya kakhulu.
Love that.
Yeah.
So there is a, I guess, a basis of knowledge in South Africa that you can only get a license yakho when you're like 18 or so. What do you know if there's a way for high school students to start applying?
There is. At the moment, ngikade busy ngihambisa ama-proposals kuma-high schools nama-TVET colleges. Ngi-encourage ukuthi izingane azithola ama-license while zisesikoleni.
But from what age?
From the age of 17 years. 17 years uyakwazi ukuthola i-license ya-code 8, then 18 code 10 kuya phezulu. So ngiyaba-encourage kakhulu. And okumnandi engivele ngabungeza nakho ngifike nje ngaba ne-special because izingane zisafunda, abazali imali abanazo, so angiqale ngithi ey'koleni around 250, then mhlawumbe ezikoleni ezisemadrobheni ngithi 300 rand, that is half the price, half price engiwu-charge for iy'kole. So ama-proposal esengiwahambisile lawo, amanye ngizowahambisa nje mengisuka la.
Oh, that's nice. So Today. You're a working girl. You're a working girl. Okay, I have one last statement for you. It's a true or false statement. Code 10 is easier than code 8.
Yes.
True or false?
True.
Oh!
When driving code 10 is like we're driving an automatic vehicle. That is very easy. And incane into yenza ka code 10 more than code 8. Kahle driving is easy. Izinto ukushayela yabona.
Girl, you should have told me that like 5 years ago because I failed it twice.
Into challenge abantu ku code 8 kakhulu ukuthi there are so many things that you need to do. There's 3.10, there's parallel parking, there's early docking. So zoyi-3 nje lezo zinto usazoya ku steep hill yabo. Abantu ziyabahlupha kakhulu. Then code 10 nje, it's only 2 things that you do, then you're out. Yeah,
but we don't want to scare anyone. We don't want to scare anyone. We would encourage that you guys get your licenses from a very early age. Thank you so much, Mami, for being here with us.
Okay.
Thank you so much. It's been such a pleasure talking to you. So I don't know if you just want to plug your social media handles and maybe how people can get a hold of you.
Okay. Ngiyatholakala ku 063 953 9379. That's my number. And then ngiyatholakala ku website www.macgsdrivingschool.co.za. Tholakala kanjalo.